Good afternoon, everybody. So, I think we will be able to hit beta state today. There's a change. We worked for 6 hours yesterday, which doesn't sound like an awful lot, but that's 2 times as long as ever. So, I'm kind of confused. I just opened like the index.js because I wanted to work on the caching, and now I'm seeing that I already set a cache. Did I implement this already? Yeah, I already implemented cache control. Huh. That's confusing. So let's get right in it. Let's make the final changes. I don't know how much code we'll write exactly today. I mean, we have to implement the time form on the submitted program page because that's currently or posted program page because it's currently pretty empty. We might fix this also. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see, and I have to upgrade Typeform to a paid subscription. We have to test it, test payments, all that kind of good shit, and then we'll also probably have a look at making, or have a go at making a launch checklist, because I'm going to share the beta version with some of my friends and family, and maybe you guys. I mean, you're free to test, and you can leave any feedback in my Discord. I think that's the best way to go, or just in chat on Twitch. And then I think we are going to launch this thing together on, I don't know. I'm kind of like hoping, like when shall we go live? Something in me says to do it Monday. Another thing in me says to do it like this Friday. I'll have to wait and see. Maybe I think that's part of making the launch checklist, or the launch tactic, or whatever it's called. So yeah, let's get right to it with the caching. I'm quite confused when I did it. I'm even quite confused if it even works. So let's see. If we go to network and we refresh the space, we have localhost. And what do we get for cache control? Max H. Okay, I think that's because let's do a build right here, and if it's built, which is going to take like a couple of seconds, let's do, I think it's npm run start, not serve. So let's have a little looks. Okay, it's running. So what is the actual cache control max H0? Let's have a look at how I set this up for like my personal website, because I've investigated quite a bit. Let's see. I know it's like remix, but hey. Cache control. So I set a max age of 600 and S max age of 60. So let's set a max age. So 60 is 60 seconds, right? 600. Okay, that's 10 minutes. So 10 minutes. Or how long is this? In minutes. And 9 minutes. So this divided by 60. I think this was about 30 days. So okay, so we set this. What was S max H again? Wasn't it, I think that was like the, okay, cache control S max H. The automatic response direct also indicates how long the response is fresh for similar to shared caches, and they will ignore max H when present. Okay. I'm quite confused. So this is 60. 10 minutes. and 30 days, and there's still a revalidate for a long time. I think this is about right. I'm just not sure about the S-Max age. Let's look up a bit more information. Because the thing I want to find, I think it's fine if we cache like a page for 30 minutes. For instance, if we have this page and we cache it for 30 minutes, it's absolutely fine. Because I'll probably batch the edit program work, or at least like do it with a slight interval, so that when someone posts a program, it can always be visible within like 30 minutes to an hour of me adding it to the database. But I think that this S max age is set to like 30 days or 31 days. And I'm not sure if that has any big consequences, because the last thing I want is like Next.js caching my affiliate database for 30 days and no one seeing any changes for 30 days and without me. I think I can purge it with a redeploy, but I'd rather not purge cache, run another build when it's not needed. So let's see, S max age. Yeah, okay. This a reverse caching proxy will be able to serve the same resource to any number of clients for as long as S max age. The load on the proxy will increase with the number of clients, so it may be worth having proxy single check SH more frequently requests down to clients. To give more, you might want to suggest that the CDN should check hourly for an update resource on the order server. However, it may be fine for any end user to keep using the response they get for days. Users with cold cache will get an updated version. Okay. Sounds fair, but I don't want to cache it for that long. You know what? Let's set it to. Okay, let's just read a couple of more blocks to get a better understanding of that, and then like form an opinion on what the fuck I'm going to use. Okay, so browser fetch for it means that it remains about 90 seconds. Okay, no, so let's max age. Shared as this is irrelevant to price the month. Yeah, so probably want to set both to like still. What is okay, so I'm pretty sure I want to set it to half an hour, half an hour. Still, our revalidates help developers balance between owning caches right away. Yeah, exactly. So if it's like updating caches and you do still revalidate. Yeah, so probably like these values are quite alright as like a standard. And then I will just have to update this and this one to like 30 minutes. So seconds. Like, let's see how Web3 Career caches their front page, right? They actually sold a subscription spot, like a sponsor, not a subscription, sponsor slot. So let's see, we are not disabling caches. Max age is XFXT. Okay, so it's a little different. We have cache headers. There, okay, max age 0, private, must revalidate. Yeah, I don't think it's really needed for me. I mean, let's cache it for half an hour. I think it's fine. Or is it not? Yeah, I think it's fine. I mean, you know what? We can always, since we set it to 30 minutes, there's no man down if it turns out that's it's like, okay, this is not the way, right? Because if 30 minutes isn't going to work, I'll need like just another 30 minutes in order to set a new cache header for all my users who might have cache set, right? Or maybe for the unfortunate one, like 30 minutes plus an additional 30 minutes if they're in that still while we validate thingy. So yeah, I think this is the way. Let's also do the submit thing. Yeah, we don't need to do the submit thing because it's already cached because it's a static page. Yeah, so I think this is it. Like 1800 is like yeah, 30 minutes. It's fine. It's cool. So let's do this. Updated caching to have. Updated caching to have an hour. Cache. Cache home and category pages for half an hour. Half hour. Okay, cool. So caching down. Okay, I already did that, so that's quite alright. So let's push that to the server. Git push, so it gets deployed to Vercel. I really like this website though. Okay, sorry. I'm always getting lost in like Remote-OK and Web3 because they're just doing a couple of things so well. Okay, so let's see. I think this is going to get pushed to Vercel, right? Is it building or is it already built? I think it's already built. It's not deployments ready. Took 21 seconds. Cache home and category pages. So let's go to useaffiliates.com. And as we can see, okay, so we do have one error, but that's only because I use Brave and it cancels out the Phantom analytics script. So let's refresh. Okay, it's Festus Pucarino. And let's see. Max age 1800. That's cool. It's hit. Okay, Vercel cache hit. Okay, this is nice. Do I want to set up like... Is this farm up caches website? I don't know if this is still a thing. I know this was a thing like with Magenta shops. Yep. Ah, you know what? I'm not gonna bother if page isn't visited. Why should I cache warm up? Why should I do cache warm up? Okay, so we still have to work on some Lighthouse stuff, but I wanted to have a look at, are the category links per list item currently not confusing? Because, okay, the thing is, and we discussed this at the end of yesterday, before deciding, okay, let it rest for a day, is if you click on here, like web development, you go to this category, but you don't see web development that web development is active. And now I'm kind of wondering if I want to make it active. And I think I want to do that. Because then it's obvious that you link to a different page. It's obvious which filter is active. And we had a little bit of a discussion yesterday, or I rather had a discussion with myself about this. If you make, let's say, don't focus on me hovering over it, but let's say you come on the page and this is active, wouldn't you expect that you can select multiple filters? And while I thought of it a bit more yesterday evening, I thought to myself, yeah, but on the other hand, the user isn't that stupid. So if they click on business, for example, they will see on the next page that just the business one is active. So they can figure out for themselves, like, okay, this isn't like a multi-filter thingy. So let's do that. You know what? Let's just make it active. Let's make sure that we have the logic to make the current category like have a different styling. And then we can always just click around, test it a bit, and we'll see. We need to do anything else. Also, big shout out to Leon and to Dylan, who followed me again off stream. I'm getting a lot of followers off stream, and I'm kind of curious. Are people watching the VOD or what's happening? Because yeah, see, okay, all my videos are like getting like between 75 and 120 views. So I guess people are just watching the VODs if they are in a different time zone. I really have to do like evening streams sometime. But I don't know, life's just so busy. I'm mostly in the gym on weekday nights, and in the weekends I'm usually like somewhere somewhere else drinking beer or drinking a whiskey. Okay, so enough with the chit chat. Let's start up the dev server and get to freaking work. The first thing I want to do is extract this as a component. So we can make it its own, like, okay, so listing, let's do like category filter, category tags, JS, shit, it's lower, isn't it? Okay, so let's do that then. So we have to extract. Let's make this let's make this bigger and this smaller, so we have a little bit more room to work with. So let's see, render categories. Yeah, we need that. Render categories. So what I'm going to do is like export function, category tags, which takes the categories. The categories. Turn. If I think we can just like right, we can take this one. So we can search it more easily. This, take this. This. So now we can actually do a little bit of logic here. We have to, yeah, we have to like import the link. Import link. And that's pretty much it, right? So, alright. And let's import category tags. Let's say that is categories. Categories. Current category. Do we have a current? Do we have a current category here? Categories. Okay, so we don't need this one. Do we need this one? Yeah, we do need this one. Import use router from next router. Let's make that more important. Link. Okay, we here. And we have tags from category tags. And I think I might also want to You know what? We can just get like the current category from here, right? If there's a filter category set, we can get it via the use filter category. Like let's construct the filter, right? So for starters, it fucking works, so that's great. I mean, we can see that right here. These are now coming from wait, what? Oh shit. Sorry. Looking at the wrong website, so maybe it doesn't work. But I think it worked. Oh shit. Categories that map isn't a freaking function. And why is that? Category tags. So what the fuck is wrong with the categories? Yeah, it should be a categories that map. Are you? Okay, come back to me. What's? Oh my god. I'm stupid. I needed to destructure it, and now we can destructure the bitch. Can go here, and we have get 12 times 9. If we go to software, we get software. So why is this rendering? Okay. So we can say like, let's do the conditional in front of here, like if c.name is equal to category, then we'll add like background primary text white. Otherwise, we'll add absolutely none. And then we also have to render the categories, because I forgot to do that. And it's not the same. Is that so? Let's like so log c dot name is equal to category. False, 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 true, true, false. Okay. I know why. Because we need to set this. Let's see. We'll have to do this. Say background sync. Actually, we can take this all. We can place it on here, I guess. Yeah, so now it works. And that's great. So, do we actually need anything else here? Yeah, we probably need to make this not an A tag. Oh, shoot. Okay, we are going to do it a little bit different. Like, if we are going to set a conditional here. So, if CNAME is equal to category, we actually don't want to return a link. We probably just want to return a div. If VS Code allows me to do a div, and then we say like const tag styles is this entire thing. Actually, I think this is better. I like this approach a lot more. And then we can say like class name is a template function which takes text styles. And then we slap on these. And otherwise, we'll do this. Textiles, and we'll slap on... Oh, shoot. Let's grab these, and then let's go forward. And then we'll slap on these. And we need to do anything else. We need to give this a key. And we need to give this a name. And then it works, and this is not clickable. Cool. Then I also want to do a cursor that is to show the user that it's actually not clickable. I always find it kind of annoying if I go to a website and expect something to be clickable, and then it indeed shows me like this little, oh, you can select the text, but you cannot click it. I don't know. It's just like an extra layer of UX that shows user, no, I get that you expect that you might be able to click on this, but it's actually not because you're already on that category. So let me give you a little reminder of that. I think it's already pretty clear, but shoot, why the hell not? Cursor not allowed. Cool. Oh. And we go. I don't know if this has any implications. I don't know if I want to do that one. Do we have anything else that we can use? No, I think not allowed is cool. Or like, no, let's just say cursor default. Like, it's not clickable. Yeah, see? This is better. Not allowed is a bit too harsh. But now it's like, hey, this brings up as thing, and this just brings up like normal cursor. Okay, so how well does this work? So we're now we're on software. So if you go to e-commerce, we see that e-commerce is selected. I think this is great. I mean, okay, you navigate to software, and software is selected. You see that e-commerce is not set. You can't select multiple. Okay, I can see why this might grind some people's gears, but if it does, I don't think that much people are really going to be pissed off about this. I think it's more of like, oh, you can do multi-filters, right? Then you can do multi-filters. Yeah, this is great. Maybe we can add like a little hover over like current category over on what? You know what? Fuck it. Tabs also work, so that's great. You can basically like navigate this whole thing with your tab bar, which is great. Does it also work for like the load more button? So let's go back to the homepage for a second. Okay, everything is tabbed. We are not skipping a single thing. Outlines are good. Yeah, outlines are great. And then maybe it's Van Krui and we tell everything. Yeah, sure. Okay, so the tab index also works. Okay, so what was the, like, maybe we should hide the active category, then it doesn't look like you select multiple. Okay, we fixed that by taking that into account, but making it not clickable and making it obvious that it's not clickable, like not making it a link element when it shouldn't be a link element because it's just like an indicator you are here. Maybe we have to make the tag appear active and make it not clicked by the user to prevent free, however, yeah, okay, so we did this. So that's great. I'm not amusing myself just a little tiny bit. It actually looks better when it's aligned with the page goal. Okay, so we already did that, at very least at pricing. Okay, now let's have another crack at like the Lighthouse scores. Before we move on with the actual creation of the typeform, or like completion of the typeform, and then I get to the program page. so I can make some money. But first things first, let's code review this and push it. So we have said, okay, we've removed this, that's nice. And then we have said that category tags there. And then the category tags use link router. Yeah, if everything is fine. Oh, we have a problem. Yeah, okay, fuck that. That's not a problem, that's just VS Code being a bitch. Add category. Get the tags active state. Cool, and then we can push it. Git push. Okay, nice. So this is gonna get pushed to Vercel. Okay, so this is building. Now let's stop the actual dev server. Let's npm run build. And then let's have a look at the light score one more time. I'm actually going to use Chrome this time instead of Brave. Just so I'm sure that we're not using any ad blocks, not anything special. So npm run start to start server. Then we can open Chrome. We need to, like, Chrome, come on, where are you? Then we need to do an incognito window. So we don't use any, and I mean any, extensions, because it really affects your LiDAR score. Okay, so I don't expect the time to first byte to be great because we're using WSL, so the Linux subsystem for Windows. But I do expect the other things to be quite alright. So let's generate a report for mobile. Let's see what we have to fix. Probably something with the categories. Okay, so now generating your report. So what does Chrome tell me? SEO, targets are not sized properly. Okay, so we are going to strive to get this fixed because we are so close. Why not fucking fix it? Surf images with low resolution. I can't seem to get rid of this error, whatever I do. Background and foreground colors. Yeah, I don't care. And then in the next gen formats, reduce initial support. Yeah, that's all valid points. These do have an explicit width and height, and I don't know why this doesn't work. But hey, it is what it is. And then the cache policy, oh well. It is what it is. 81 is actually pretty decent. Taking into consideration that most of our, like, bad score comes from, you're not serving your images in WebP format. I'm not going through that entire fucking database and, like, compressing it. If I'm going to do that, if I really, really want to, I can make a script with, I don't know, like, grab the things from... Can you even upload, like, developers... Notion.com. Like Notion API, can you even upload media? Like, page database, create a database, update a database, update property scheme. Removing a property, naming a property, media. I don't think, or files. How can you, this time with tip file. Okay, I don't think you can actually upload any files. I'm not sure about that one, but I don't think you can. We'll see. But okay, let's get this to 100. I'm pretty annoyed that I can't seem to get this to 100. You know what? What we can actually do is, like, let's get another image. You know what? Fuck it. Let's get another image, you know? WP engine. Let's grab... you know what? Let's go to WP Engine's website. Still that logo. So cool. So we can probably just take this one and grab it. We can say WP Engine Notion. Please. Everything's going to be huge, but that's so we can have a look at this status update thingy, or like the alpha feedback changes. And let's go all the way down, all the way down. Then this sadly has to fucking go. And then we will upload this one. Actually, how big is this bad boy? Okay, only 2 KB. Can we even like tiny PNG it? Maybe we can tiny PNG it. Yeah, see, we can even get it to half, which is amazing. So, sorry about that one, but we are going to upload an even smaller version. Okay. So, wait, where are you? Why is this? Let's go back. Let's circle back. Let's go to the bottom. Why doesn't it want to upload? Huh. Okay, now it wants to upload. Okay, we can close this. We can refresh. We'll probably see that's updated now with the new one. So it's for Engine. Looks a little worse, but it's fine. And then we have like the foreground background contrast ratio thingy. I think this is pretty busted. Tap on North. Okay, let's make these a little bit bigger, like the categories. Like let's say they can be 1.5. And like have an MB of MR of 2 and then let's do a rebuild. This might look terrible, but I just want to check out if this actually fixes the problem or if I have to take like more extreme measures. So let's see what this does. This will increase the paddings between all this stuff, or like the margins. I rather say, because we update the margins and a little bit of the paddings. Okay, this doesn't look all that bad. Definitely not as great, but let's roll with it for a second. Let's run another lighthouse thing and see if we actually improve the score, or if it's gonna complain about anything. Okay, so the SEO. Okay, so this is fine according to Lighthouse. Now, this is still fucking complaining about like not expected size. I have no idea what. Is it just let me take one more jab at this. Because I don't know what's going on, because it oh shit. Oh, you know what we can do? Let's go all the way down, this. Because I'm getting kind of sick and tired of seeing this row. Because if this moves on to like being the second row to like unbounce, they can suck a dick. They can really, really suck a dick. Sorry for my language, but I'm kind of annoyed that this tool is like not giving me 100. It's so close. And it's not something I can fix because it's a glitch. Okay, so I refreshed, I guess. Yeah, unbounce. So let's generate a new report. And see if we still get any feedback on this. And if not, I'm confused. Yeah, see, now it's moving on. Expected size 140 by 140. Yeah. You know what? They can suck a dick. Again, sorry for my language, but... Ah, this annoys the living hell out of me. This really annoys me. Oh well, oh well. We did the best we could for Lighthouse, so this is the score we end up with. And actually everything is performing enough, so I don't really care. I don't really care about it all that much. So let's see. I do want to. There can be. Let's go back to PY of 1. And we have to run the dev server, of course. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay, then it's a little bit more spacing between all of those, but hey, that's not making me mad. Okay, so I think we're good. Like increase margins, category X for SEO score. Okay, so that can go. Let's push it. Let's go back to projects. So I think we can now say, look at Laskasor, done. At the very least, at the pricing-based response program until we have implemented Timeform. I'm going to delete this, and we are going to say that we have fixed the alpha feedback. Which means that we have 2 things left before we hit beta. And that's the Typeform, which we are going to set up right now. And we are going to going into the database and exclude any of the categories that don't have any rows. So we don't bore the users with like, there are no results for this category page. Because actually, I think if someone uses the category filter without setting payment type and cookie period, and they, of course, always navigate to one which don't have any results, they're gone. They're gone. I mean, I'd rather have people asking, yo, where is that category? Rather than, yo, your categories are all empty. I click like 3 of them and they all return like no result. So is this a bug? I think it will actually take a little bit of time to... I don't think it would take that much time to exclude categories, because what we can do is we can go into Notion, we can filter the database on category, move through all of them, and then we can also... That's another thing we can do. We can also decide on, hey, this might be a popular category. Let's look for a couple of affiliate programs so we at least have something, right? So we at least have something. And maybe I'll do that for other categories before next week. But I'm going to disable the categories as long as we're in beta, or as long as as long as they don't have any affiliate programs associated with them. So let's move to this one, set up Typeform. Add select your category step. Okay, so we are going to go in here. Submit your affiliate program to affiliates.com. Do we want to add an image? Let's add an image. Let's style this bad boy a bit. let's make this a bit more pretty. Oh, actually, it's kind of quite alright. Let's move it up a teeny teddy more. Yeah, we can use this. Oh, we actually have to take another screenshot. You know what? Let's just go to the Alpha homepage. Let's take this. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to take a select one. Do it like this. And then save this one. Let's move this in here. Also, let's give it a drop shadow of 2, 4. Yeah, fine. Here, add. Okay. So if we go through this, right? We submit your affiliate program, so we do start. Or okay, so we move from this to contact information. Please fill out. Please fill out your contact information so we can reach you in case we have any questions about your affiliate program posting. Let's also open Grammarly, so we have the spell checked. So it's nice and professional. Is this one word? I think this is fine. This information will be used for listing for affiliate program. We'll use this information of your affiliate program. Yeah, better. Better. Actually, we can close this for a second. Or like close the site. This can also be the name of your company. Yep. Please include what a typical commission rate is. Short. Trying to. Let's go to use affiliates and let's calculate what we think is the maximum amount of words someone can use. Also, we have a little problem here. I think, like, let's open up a lot of... Yeah, I think this is like the absolute maximum. $200. Okay, that seems fine. Now we have to another question, which is a drop down. And one of our databases. Oh, here. Affiliates.com. I like. Why are you typing this over? Because I think that's the fastest way to do this. Doesn't really matter if you make any mistake, so save choices. What category to submit for now? Ah, shit. This is not. This is gonna be like a multiple choice. Oh, that works. Please. can we do like a... Can select multiple... range between 1 and 4. So like between 1 categories. Please select. Okay, this is required as well. And actually, you can type between 1 and 4 categories. It's required. Also, let's make sure that everything is required. Let's not include the time to... Maybe, yeah, let's use the time to complete. What the heck? Okay, your name is required. Your email is required. Title is required. Affiliate, the categories are required. And you can select between 1 and 4. Let's move like description in front. It's required. That is required. It's a URL. How do you pay out? You can select multiple. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Does your film have cookie period? Yes or no? We don't need a vertical alignment here. Does your affiliate... Okay, and if it has a cookie period, how long does it stay active? It's a number. Min number is 1, of course. Otherwise... And it's required. I mean, if you get to this, it's required. Will that, like, fuck things up? And then you upload your logo. So, let's have a look. So... People, or maybe it's even better to have a look at the database instead of other property. So let's like do. Okay, so now this is also going to be smaller, but bear with me. So let's see. We have the name, affiliate title, description. We have the logo, which is all the way down here. Then we have the description. Yeah, we have the URL, which is this one. We have credits, we have cookie period, and that's about it. Okay. Checkout. Please select your subscription. When you cancel your subscription, it will be listed on useful until the end of your subscription. Please select. Okay, so we don't have to do this actually. Do we? I don't think we have to do this. Do you want to do it sponsorship? Do you want to add a sponsorship listing? Okay, what information do we have to include about sponsorships? You can choose. Let's see if we can make an image for this. Sponsor your affiliate program or how do these guys like communicate that? Like you can like post a job. Get. Uh-huh. Sponsorships. Oh. Affiliate program. Choose to. Shit, but what if we get like more? In case there are multiple sponsors. How do they tell anything about this? Stick. Homepage category. Both. Program. In the case we seed Rose sponsored slot. Yeah, you know what? If this becomes an issue, I will just reach out and find a solution and otherwise refund people. Let's see. Like, add a choice. I'm just gonna to copy over these prices. I think it's fine. You can always tweak them later. I think that's like really the benefit of having made a decision and like relieving the load of my shoulders of like I have to implement like Stripe monthly subscriptions, I have to use authentication, all that shit. Now that I'm doing actually like one-time payouts, I can very easily change the type form with new prices, like new one-time price. I can up my price, I can lower my prices. I can play around with this until I find a sweet spot. You know, especially with the sponsor, I might, if I am as lucky as like getting overwhelmed with the amount of like sponsored rows, I can obviously disable it and then reach out to the people who are misfortunate enough to like being postponed to the following period. I can maybe give them a little discount. I don't know. But we'll see. Affiliate pro. After your program is listed, checkout. Let's say, yeah, checkout. Post. After your program, after checking out program listed within 48 hours. After no errors. Yeah, I don't think people will complain. After checking out, your program will be listed within 48 hours and will be posted to 5 days. After your program will be listed, submit your for 1 year and will be listed on affiliates.com 365 days. I want to make that like clear. Submit your for 365 days to use affiliate.com. Yeah. You know what? We can actually... Can we do this? No, let's do just... Submit your for things to use on use affiliate.com. Is this right? Yeah, okay, too short now. Fine. Submission will be reviewed and listed 48 hours of payment and listed on user affiliates for 365 days. Yep. Okay, cool. Do you want to add a sponsorship? Sponsor. Is this right? Yeah, okay. I thought it was wrong. Stick it to the top of the homepage category or both. They will get you more traffic. Stick to homepage. 30 days. Which is... You know what? Let's only do the homepage. You know what? Let's do both. Let's do both. I mean, if someone buys a sponsorship, they can do both. You know, or let's just start with the homepage. And then give them both, and I can always remove it and say, okay, you only listed your affiliate program on the homepage. I mean, I can do category pages now. But now I'm kind of wondering what will happen if like no. Don't sponsor. I don't want my no sponsor. Yep. Don't sponsor. Let's make it the last one on the list. Take it to the top of the homepage. Okay, let's just start out with this, and then we can go from there. Okay. So logic. Probably have to go in here. Let's go to question. Sign. How did you do this again? I think it's, or is it like the notification? Or I think it's logic. Connect. How did it work? How did this work again? No, this is not it. I think it's logic. Then you click on the card and then you can go from there. Right? Right. Let's see. Okay, we go to logic. We also have to set up a plan, but let's wait. Let's wait with setting up a plan until we actually launch. We know what. Okay, so we have this. Select. Let's go to the type Stripe. Shit, Stripe. Go to cache, connect to Stripe setting. We did that. Okay, so we do have to watch the video. Okay. Okay.
Create an order form, set up donations, and collect payments for your business with Typeform. Use our payment question type and our Stripe integration to accept payment. But you'll have to add your business and bank detail, your choice, and add in a label. Here we have a sneaker order form with 3 different sneaker options, all at different prices. In this question, we ask which model customers want. Here we've used a picture choice and added a label with the name of each model. I'll add the price here too, so that our customers know how much each model costs. In the next question, we'll use a drop down to ask for shoe size. The rest of the form asks for more details about the order, so we'll skip to adding the payment question. You'll be able to find it with this icon. In question settings, you'll be able to connect your Stripe account here if you haven't already, or change accounts if you have more than one. Just remember, you can only link one Stripe account at a time to your Typeform account. Then you can...
Oh, yeah, that's also not really better.
You can choose your currency and, if necessary, add a fixed amount to automatically charge. For example, if the price of each pair of shoes were $100, I can add that here and it would automatically be added to the price here. But in this example, each shoe is a different price, so we'll leave the value at 0 and use logic to populate the price. Under logic, we'll click calculations and branching.
I think this is the way to go, right?
For the dollar amount of each pair of shoes.
I think so.
We'll say if the shoe model they want is the green grasshoppers, then we'll choose to enter a number and put 100 here. Then we'll choose to add that to the price variable. By adding it to the price variable here, we're ensuring that it'll populate in the payment question. And just to be clear, you can't use the price variable unless you have a payment question in your typers. That'll go towards the price variable. Then we'll hit...
Okay. No, delete this rule. Or or it's B, then it's like, or it's C, or it's D. And Okay,
And add $150 to the price variable. Then we'll hit save and we're all set. Now, $25. That'll go towards the price variable. Finally, we'll do the same for the Pink Panthers. And add
oh shit, okay. Okay, cool. Let's do this again. If which model is does your have a cookie period? Okay, how does long? Okay, upload this. Okay, in all cases, jump to this. Okay, so that works. We will have to test this, of course, but let's say always jump in this. So let's say, do you want to export at rule? If is A, then
$150 to the price variable.
then add price enter number $99 to price. If 49, then add fixed number, like add fixed number. Yeah, add uh, 149 to price. If is the actually let's first, okay, sorry guys, I'm thinking that this is now a multi-select. Like let's go to the question again, because this can be a multi-select, of course. Like what happens? Can I like review? Yeah, cool. Start. Okay, contact information. Okay, like Twan Kruiswijk. twankrui@gmail.com. Continue. twankrui.com. Can't skip this either. Best affiliate program in the world. I want to be, and if I want to okay this, I can't. So I'm going to be in software, web development, food. I don't know. Okay, in 4. I can skip this either. HTTPS. //com. Can skip this. I do monthly payouts. Yes. Go back. No. And I go to, okay, that's right. So let's say yes. 30. Upload your logo. Okay, possibly. Or after checking out, your program will be listed in 40 and will be posted to. Okay. Peaceful in. Okay, I can only select one, so that's great. Okay, cool. Cool. So this works. So I don't have to do anything else than like update the logic. Ooh. We don't have a score, so I don't know what's that on about, but okay, now can I like set the price by default? Let's say it's for what did they say again? Like, I don't know. What should we start with? What is good pricing? Let's look at, like, Web3 costs like $646. So that's a bit, that's a bit much. Let's see how much remote. Okay, that's my own personal blog. I mean, I know I'm looking at like big companies, but so 491 for the default one. And if we go to 4-hour work week jobs, I think this is more in my 4dayweek.io post job. Post job for free? Well, that's not what I want. What's this? I'm just gonna go with like $490. Okay, and then I can check out. So let's preview. Let's start again. Contact information. Let's do the desktop thing. Let's say van Kruiswijk. It's van gmail.com. Okay. .com. I don't care. SPS, so that's van Krui.com. Monthly payouts. Yes. 12 days. Upload logo. This one. Okay. Continue. I want to stick to the homepage for 499. Okay, this is nice. So it's yeah. Great. Now let's get your program listed. After payment has come through, we'll start filling your available programs. Your credit card will be charged for $589. We'll never store this. Okay, so then you go through it, then you submit, and then you get. Okay. Hey, you know what? It fucking works. So let's do some testing, shall we? So first things first. What do we need to do? Let's look at the top form thing. So select categories. We've added the. What did I copy the clipboard? Okay, nothing that important. So we did that. We added the. Okay, so we need to do a test payment upon the. So let's first. Okay, we included information about upgrade to pro plan. Yeah. Let's do that like at the very end before we hit beta. I think we can do that today. That won't be any problem. So let's first embed type form on programs page. I think that's what we want to do. I think that's the logical thing to do as well. So let's do that first. Make a change visible. Publish. Oh shit. Okay, I have to upgrade my plan. Let's go to chatting for a second while I upgrade my plan. Fuck, where's the company credit card? Alright. Let's see where Stripe intake. So know what? Let's just do basic. For like 100 responses, and I want to do it monthly. Damn. 30 euros a month. But hey, it saves me a lot of time. I mean, oh, alright, it's 30 euros, but I can use Type for more. Be right back. I will grab my need to grab my credit card here. Cool. Or can I just do it from here? You know what? Let me check. So, okay, let's go basic. Let's do monthly. Nemukti Arch. Okay. Oh shit. That number. So let's grab my tax number, which is NO. Yes. Name card T-Arch. Or I think, is it T-Arch? What's the name on my card? Okay, just a second. I will get my credit card just to be sure. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. So, what is my credit card again? I think this is my debit card, right? Or is this my... Oh no, this is my bank card then. Yeah, this is my bank. So, let's see. The name on card is like... I am not going to say this out loud, otherwise I'm so getting scammed. Yeah, sure. Yeah, save. I really have to make an overview, so I don't forget about any credit card payments. Oh, god damn it. Did I save this in 1Password? Hope so. Yeah, there it is. Okay, getting like 6-factor authentication steps. I have to do my... What? Oh, shite. Yeah. Yeah. Now it works. Okay. Pay an upgrade. 5 a month. Is this going to work? Do I have any secrets on screen? I don't think so. Never miss a response with auto upgrade. Get an automatic response. In your case, the next is you will pay the difference in price between which is up to 4. Okay, yeah, I automatically want to upgrade because I don't want to miss any. You're in. Welcome to the basic plan. Cool. And if it's now telling me to upgrade to the pro plan, I'm gonna be pretty pissed. But I don't think so. So let's see. I will switch to like my screen in like 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we're back on track. I've upgraded like this whole thing to here. And then we can like create an end screen. Thank you. Posting. Submission. We'll post it within hours. We had a GIF. I don't know. Do a funny picture. If we need any extra information, shut up. If to let's not do it. I'll do the social share. Let's. That's not really. Let's publish this. Ooh, baby! Ooh, we're so close now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Link settings. Okay, we have to lower the prices. But that's not... you fuck off. I don't need a custom price. I need money. I need people to fucking pay me for this. Oh, let me stretch just a little bit. Oh, my back and my legs are blown out from the gym session. Okay, cool. So, share. Now we have to get back to the code again. Sure. Let's open VS Code. Let's do this. Okay, like embed in web page standard. Present your seamlessly as part of your website. This is exactly what I want. Design with height. Let's go to the programs page. Programs or submit. Let's see. Do 100%. Let's not use a background transparency. Height header. So get the code. Ah, shit. No worries. No worries. Let's just see what happens if we do this here. Next script. Handling scripts. Let's go are injecting into it. Interactive. Sounds like a plan. Okay. Huh. The style prop expects mapping. Let's remove the style prop then. Did not expect server HTML to contain a div. Okay, what's going on here? So we have this, then we have this, then we have this, then we have this. Let's say height is 100%, width is 1%. Let's see if there's any documentation. Oh, well, there it is. Yes. Oh, here it is. Okay, well. npm at save type form that react. Oh, not react, react. Sure, let's get the contour styles. She. Okay, so now I have to remove this. See if we can get this bad boy to full height. Huh. Min height. Why doesn't it take full height? Well, okay, that's really hacky. So we can do that. We have done that. So we can do the same. So what's this? Use Phantom. Okay, so there are a couple of analytics. Oh, shit. Type React. Let's see. Okay. Now we can test this bad boy. Oh, I have to re-authenticate. Nice. Just a second. Let me go to this screen. Oh shit, with which account did I authenticate? Like, payment was successful. This has been sent to which account? Okay, on a TH. This can go, this can go. Yes. Okay, we can go back. Hold on tight, brother. Okay, what we are gonna do now is test the actual form if everything works. So I'm gonna make a payment to myself for $1. And I'm gonna apply an extra dollar to like, let's see. So great, now payment. So let's set this to $1. And do you want a sponsorship listing? Let's update the logic for now. I mean, I think it's fine. No, let's just test it just to be sure. I'm very tempted to skip the step of testing the. Do you want to add sponsorship listing? You know what? We can keep it this way. We can do publish. And now I can fill out the form, test it for $1, and also test if the affiliate programs are adding to the price. So let's say Twan Kruiswijk. Your email, twan@tarch.nl. Oh, guys, I can't like express how excited I am about this. You know what? We'll actually... Okay, we can just tweak the design later. No, let's do that right now. Let's not skip any steps. Okay, let's go to Figma. Let's nail it. Let's nail it on first try. See how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we have this. So we have this. So this color. So let's make this bigger. Oh. Let's create the darkest shade of orange. Because I can't imagine this going well. Let's do it here. Because maybe some poor monitors won't do it any good. I think this is a good shade of orange. We can make the answers like here this way. Yeah, better. Choice. Saves new team. Saved. Publish. It's good. Okay, let's go back to post program. I think I'm kind of wondering how that would look on mobile, but we'll probably have to do that another time. So let's take 4 minutes for name. Yeah, so everything's remembered, so that's nice. Developer web, just kidding. Let's say shit. I also need to update this to a mistaken. I already did, so that's nice. Web development, HTTPS, layouts. Yes. 2 days. Let's just this. This needs to be bigger. Better. So let's say we stick it to the homepage. Okay, so now it's $100. Yeah, what just happened? Yeah, nothing. That's cool. So, okay, now I have to pay like $100. So let's go back. Let's say I don't sponsor it. And now, okay. So I'm gonna fill this out and test it. I will show you the results in just a second. Okay, now it will ask me for a password. Hey, Dragonia! How are you? Good to see you, good to see you. I'm currently in the process of like verifying if my payment methods work. So hopefully everything is good. Yeah, doing well, doing well. I'm glad I'm over the cold which I had like 2 weeks ago. And I'm actually pretty excited because we're close to launching the beta for use affiliates. So that's great. So no, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Yesterday we did a 6-hour stream, so we got a lot of work done. All right, all right. Does the payment work? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Only the final. Ooh, that's a problem. But let's see if it actually charged my credit card. You know, I can see that. Rather yet, I can go to Stripe. And can I share this? I guess I can share this. Let's go to the dashboard. This affiliate. Woohoo! We grossed 90 cents. I paid myself and it cost me money. Fuck. That's actually... Why did we pay... Oh, because it wasn't dollars, so this is in euros. I get that. I get that. So cool. Okay. That's nice. So that means the payment has come through. Now the only thing I'm kind of worried about is, where's my end screen? Oh, that's the problem. Ah, ending. Why did I not save this? Start. That's 48 hours. So questions. Let's add an image. Wait, what? Oh shit, there are multiple endings. Okay, so this is A. So what is the logic behind this? Huh. How does this work again? So it goes to A. L. Like do a checkout, and now we're going to make this like 490. And then we're gonna publish the motherfucker, and now it's good. Cool. I guess we are solid. I removed the powered by Typeform bullshit. I mean, I think I'm like... the other side. Does it really matter? I mean, Typeform is pretty... It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, cool. And add our own logo. But we don't need to do that because it's already... background. No, we don't need to do that. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Okay. So, I guess we are good to go then. We have to check mobile though. Which looks great as well. Okay, then let's freaking push it. And let's say That we can go to the navigation. And we can say that we hit beta. Chee! I really want to scream into the microphone like Cristiano Ronaldo. Ah, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is very nice. I'm just noticing like, okay, so we embedded the type form. We did pro plan. Shh. Let's get in there. Get in there. Just noticed one issue with. Cool. Well, that's great. We embedded this. We embedded that. Now we have components this. We hit freaking beta. So we can remove that. Type. Now we can git push it. And the beta will be live in just a couple of seconds. Yay! Okay, well, that was fun for like a couple of seconds. We hit a beta. So what we have to do now, and I don't think I'll be doing this on stream because I actually have to talk to, I think I can get away with talking to my dad about this, is at the terms and privacy page. And pretty much after I've implemented those pages, we are ready for launch. So let's create a little launch checklist, I guess. Do I need to implement anything else? I mean, we've set up analytics. We've set up Typeform. This page works on mobile. Anybody can check out. I don't think we basically need to do anything. Did I receive any emails? Let's see. Let's see if I received all the appropriate emails. Yeah. I did. Now, I am wondering why. Okay, so I need to set up successful emails as well. Let's do that. Let's go to chat intermission for 1 second. So let's set up Stripe further. I want to receive payment, disputes, mentions, invoice. Save. And I want to set up invoicing. I think I can share this. Share this. So yeah, brand color. Let's set it up, shall we? Because I'm kind of confused why Typeform didn't send me a like invoice. Might be something I need to fix. Typeform. Uh-huh. Do I do this in Typeform? That I hook up like a product? I don't think that's... Customers? Yeah. So, have this. Try. Send. See. I found some potential malware to analyze. What malware? Save. Oh fuck! I closed the tab. I've never done this before, guys. So if anyone has any guidance on this, I appreciate it. Like receipt filling. Okay, so unit settings. No customer. Okay, to automatically send receipts. Ensure. Okay, so we automatically send receipts. Cool, and we can also do line invoicing. Send an invoice in minutes, quickly start choosing. Not sure yet, but Walt Red seems fishy. I honestly pay my... Yeah. I don't know. I think the only thing I really had to do was because I just like checked out with Stripe and I got like the successful payment message and I have the customer in Stripe, so that's great. I mean, once the payments start coming in and people start complaining about, oh, I need invoices, this and that and so whatever, I will fix it then. I mean, I have the customer information right inside here. Like, yeah, okay, honest confession, my real name isn't Twan. My real name is actually like my legal name. Okay, my real name is Twan, but my legal name is Dirk Antonius Willem. Who would have thought? That was what I wanted to say. But how did you come across that malware, Dragonia? Did you like find it by yourself, or did you get like, was it sent through? By like sent forward by someone? So with payments, sure. I don't know if I can show it on stream, but what the fuck? Okay, so now we automatically send receipt. So I guess if I now go to philip.com, let's tweet this. Cool. Okay, start, continue. Let's actually look at Typeform if we got in. Be right back. Heck, that's a long name. Yeah, that is a very long name. Why am I continuously getting logged out of Typeform? Oh, it's like... We can, I think we can say that like this task is completed. Woohoo! Exclude any categories that don't have any rows. Let's work on that one. But first, let's look at this one and at the results to see if we have missed anything. I think it's fine. So we have responses. Hopefully the credit card information isn't in here because otherwise I will get me. Oh yeah, so $1, score 0. For name, affiliate box, yeah, best developer web, just kidding. Out. Yeah, this is exactly what exactamundo what I need. Maybe I can set up a I know something. Okay, sorry, I turned into a monkey for that one. Let's place this on the backlog, but it is a good idea. Set up type form notion book. Send signups to 10 so that we can handle things. Ooh. And I basically get notified of any new affiliate thingy when I get an email like, you've got paid. And I can be like, oh, shit. Oh, dude, my man. Okay, this is great. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really excited. So the only thing I have to do now is... oh shit, we closed Notion. Do I mind? I don't mind. So the only thing we have to do now is like get rid of all the categories that are not filled out. So let's do that now. Okay, let's have a little look-see. Add filter. Category. Pure and jewelry. We have that. Automotive transportation. We don't have anything for that one yet. Business. We have one. Hardware. We have one. Software. We have educational. We even have one for educational. Don't have one for finance. Gaming. That's... Weddings. Family. Yeah, on the other end... Okay, we can remove that category. Like non-profit and charitable. I think that can go. We don't have anything for real estate, I guess. Yeah, so okay, let's test my hypothesis. Because if we now go to like automotive transportation, we do not have any based on these criteria. If you want to be the first, please submit. I think that's fine. I think we don't have to remove them actually, because now I think this motivates people to be like, oh shit, maybe I can like add my own affiliate program out of this category. What I can also do... No. Let's just remove them because these categories are still part of the type form. So as soon as some submission comes in, I can edit. We have to get rid of them. User, because if the... I'm pretty sure that if a user hits like 2 categories that they like are interested in and they don't get any response, they will be gone. And that's like a big problem for... yeah, for everything. So let's delete this. I know finance didn't have one. I mean, I can search for them. I know pets have something. Do we have home and cooking? Oh shit. Didn't meant to add it there. Yeah, we do have home and cooking, I'm for sure. We didn't have weddings. We didn't have family. Arts and craft, we had that one. So, here on jewelry, we have business. We have hardware, we have software, we have educational. We have one. Gaming, we have pets, I know for sure that we have 2. home and cooking, arts and crafts, music, movies and TV, health and beauty, sports, outdoor, fitness. Okay, so we don't have real estate. We do have photography. We do have books. Social. We don't have social networks. We don't have crypto. Travel, recreation, e-commerce, other, food, and we do have web developments. Basically, crypto, social networks, like. Can get rid of real estate, social networks. Actually, did we have one for travel and recreation? Yeah, we have. Commerce, other. So I'm actually gonna be a little naughty. And I'm gonna leave the crypto inside of there because I think that's a hot topic and maybe people want to be the first and spend like $419 and maybe even more on this. Oh, I have 2 screens. So that's great because now we can refresh. Beep boop, something went wrong. Okay, now I have to trigger a rebuild to get rid of the cache. Okay, let's do deployments. Let's do redeploy. Redeploy. Welcome back, Dragonia. Welcome back. But you're doing a file analysis for unknown cheats in... It's a pretty big game. Holy research engineering forum. Ah. So pretty much someone posted a file and was like, yo, this is sus. Okay, we can get rid of these. Yes, let's clean up a little. Yeah, so we hit beta. What's more to say about it? We have to create a launch plannerino. Or, let's first create some follow-up to-dos. Shit, it's Wednesday, so what are we going to work on tomorrow? That's the real question. You know what? What the heck? Maybe we'll just launch tomorrow. Or no, I'm gonna keep it running for a week, I think. At least a week. So let's go to projects, choose affiliates. Yada yada yada. Let's do day 16. So this can just some okay, so what do we do? We tags. So we set up the category tags. We set up stripe. Edit type of site. Hit. Just a little reminder for myself. Okay, so test flows before going live. Yep. No, this is true because I did that yesterday. We did this. Purchase timely. Okay. Launch plan. Let's work on the launch plan. People share their projects on UC and we verify them before approving them for generals. Ah, right. So you basically have to vet every program for any malware. That's actually kind of a cool job. And very important. And also, I don't know, is it stressful to have the responsibility over so many, I guess, people? I mean, if you let something through that has malware, what happens? What happens if you let something through that has malware? Is it just a reputational thingy, or is it like financial fire and everything goes to shit? I don't think my pricing is fine. Let's look at... This program is completed. Okay, so let's look at the launch plan. It happens like 3 times since 2002. We analyzed them further and we got... Ah, yeah. Yeah, so... And it also seems like it doesn't happen that often, so if it happens, oh well. I mean, it can happen. So, let's do a product hunt. Are we going to launch product? Yeah, why the fuck not, right? Just for shits and giggles. We can close this. I mean, are you a real indie hacker if you haven't launched on fucking product hunt? So let's see what we have to do for that. We have to create an icon. Yeah, get started. Product, tagline. Description. Gallery. Oh, nice. Okay, product name, product tagline, description, topics, thumbnail, images for gallery, other links, additional makers, which we don't have, pricing, promo. We don't have a promo code. It's you. It's product. Yes. Press. Right. Default. Search. Oh, this. In public project. So that's great. So we know about this one. Okay, so let's go to beta list. Startup. Sure. Sign up with. Sign me up, Scotty. No. Does this cost money? Oh well. .com. Ties. Okay, it is what it is. We probably also have to set up Twitter account, make content strategy, post, jobs, etc. Beta list. Probably if we do product hunt first, we have all the information for beta list. So probably do like right launch. Oh, yes, we have to do like find inspiration. Nah, we're not gonna do that. Okay, so that seems pretty interesting. So we have to set up a Twitter account, which we do. Product hunt, they're giving shit out of it. Product name, product name. We'll probably do this tomorrow. I guess if we prepare everything tomorrow, we can like launch next week, and in the meantime, I can like gather some feedback from everyone. I will also post it in my Discord if people want to like test the living hell out of it. Okay, so we have to set up a Notion hook. Yeah, is there ever anything else I would like to do? I mean, Friday I'm gonna purchase a subscription to Ahrefs, which is actually kind of an awesome tool, but it's pretty expensive, so that's why I put off purchasing it. But you go to Ahrefs, you pretty much get a whole suite for SEO, so you can like do keyword research, so I can write blogs for useaffiliates.com. Which actually get some organic traffic. It might take some time, but hopefully for the better. And I know there is like some competition in the space with different affiliate databases that popped up after I initially started Use Affiliates back in 2018. But I think if we do good content marketing, make sure we always tailor towards like the people who are searching for affiliate programs. So we keep the submission like, yeah, you can submit your program, but our whole interface is tailored towards people who are looking for affiliate marketing programs. I think we're good, because most of these databases are like really like SEO trash. Basically, like searching the databases isn't all that great. Filtering isn't all that great. If you want to go to the program, you first have to go to the detail page for more details. I don't know. People are smart enough. I think what people really need when looking for an affiliate program is like, is it in my category? Do they pay sufficient like commission? And show me the fucking link to the program so I can decide for myself if I want to associate this with my brand. I don't think it's any harder than that. So we just have to get a lot of creators to the door, generate a lot of traffic, so we can like share those numbers with affiliate programs and do some cold outreach. Say like, yo, like we get 10,000 people each and every day on our website, so maybe it's good that you post your affiliate marketing. And I've also been thinking about, if we go to useaffiliates.com, I mean, this is all future stuff, but I'm currently figuring out in the back of my head, okay, what the heck I'm going to do now that this thing is basically finished. I'm probably gonna add like a sponsored banner here, or I want to add some sort of category for like limited time affiliate opportunities. I don't know if that's actually a thing, so I have to figure that one out. But I think it would be cool. Like for instance, if Razer, which is a pretty popular like gaming a pretty popular gaming brand. Maybe if they release their new Razer Blade, they go like, oh, I want to set up a limited run affiliate program for only if you sell like a Razer Blade, and the commission on that for the initial release is pretty high, because we want to like sell as much Razer Blades as possible. But also if you go to like the beauty and health, let's see, like apparel and jewelry, I think that's fine. Like maybe Macy's is like, oh, I want to sell like bracelets. If you sell like bracelets, we double the commission for a week. Something like that. So I have to kind of see how am I going to implement this and how I'm going to manage it. But that's something similar will probably be introduced once we get a couple of submissions, make money from useaffiliates.com, then we can start funding the project a little bit more. Then I will probably implement automatic forms so that I don't have to touch anything anymore, like especially for the checkout. Like I can create customers can like check out once, it will get posted automatically within 48 hours. Maybe I want to have a look at it, maybe don't, I don't really care. Well, we'll have to wait and see exactly how it goes. But I think if we can get to like, yeah, what amount of money would I need to bring this to the next level? I say if this makes around $5,000, I will probably bring it to a next level. And until we get to the $5,000, I will probably just focus on writing blog posts and making sure it gets sufficient traffic and getting and making sure that I like embrace traffic opportunities and post in a lot of social media, like post it, drop it everywhere until it makes sufficient money. And then the money is also sort of it's not like, I can't call it recurring, but every affiliate program is posted for 1 year. So hopefully, I don't know, 5% of the people who sign up will come back and like do another subscription, you know? Like, they've got good traffic from useaffiliates.com, they will come back, they will pay for another year. And maybe by then I've increased the prices or I've lowered the prices, I don't know. That's something we also have to figure out. But hey, that's what the beta's for, right? So yeah, I'm kind of lost because I don't know what to pick up right now. So that's funny. Are we going to get started with like setting up and coding the blog? Are we going to continue with like the launch plan? What time is it? It's 4:30. You know what? Let's just... I'm not sure. Anybody, any suggestions? Okay, and while you give your suggestions, I really have to pee. So bear with me for just like 2 or 3 minutes, and I'll be back. And maybe with an idea on what we are going to do for the remaining hour. Okay, see you soon. Alright, I'm back. I also grabbed a drink, and I'm still not sure what we are going to do. I'll figure it out. Maybe we can work on the launch plan. I think that's the way to go right now. I mean, we're in beta. If anybody wants to check it out, I will place a link in chat. I think this is the right one, right? Yeah, sure. Great, I know my own domain to my own website that I just made. So let's see. Okay, let's work on the launch plan. Let's work on it. Also, this is the time where I'm like the most talkative, so if you have any questions or any cool stories to tell or like want to share your project that you're working on, drop it in chat. I'm curious. So, product name. How are we going to do this? So, like, useaffiliates.com. That's the product name. Product tagline is, let's place it beside each other. Let's close this. Let me open another browser window. Nice. Let's go to useaffiliates.com. Let's increase the font size just a little bit so everybody can follow. Okay, so product tagline. Also, let's have a look at Product Hunt to analyze what other people are doing. How did Sven do Upper Plant? I'm kind of... Huh. Let's also do this because this was a pretty successful launch, as you can see. Number 2 of the day. I don't think we'll make it that far because let's be honest with ourselves. If we make it to even the front page of Product Hunt, it will be pretty amazing. Explore. Okay. Okay, then a description. What will be a good description? Do we have any copywriters in here? Okay, so it's time to explore with okay, have any questions as the maker? Oh, this is sponsored. I'm sorry. Okay, so pretty much all the descriptions are pretty short. Hide spaces, manager, search database of affiliate programs. Opportunities. Project. I misspelled opportunities. Of course. Search data opportunity to find monetization opportunities for your content. Or next project. Extend. Small. Let's look at some more. If you have an affiliate program, consider posting affiliates is to find more opportunities. Content. Send a pic. It's their brand. I don't know if it's a brand. We'll probably iterate over this a couple of times more, but for now I think it's okay. It's okay. Is there anything like GameFi, Uniboards? Just looking through this, if I see any similar like products but for a different domain. Redwood.js. Did they officially launch? That's cool. If you have an affiliate program, you might consider to start copy paste. Start getting more signups for your start getting signups program. think this is pretty cool. Okay, so we have a product name, we have a product tagline with description. So what are topics? What exactly are topics on Product Hunt, right? Topics. Am I retarded? I don't see any topics. Ah, here. Topics, it's in navigation. Oh, this actually got quite a few upvotes. Let's paste it in here as well. My database is better. Okay, so we have topics. It's thing. Marketing. I think you could select up to 4 topics. So marketing. I want to do something with like that talks more to the actual content creators. Monetization. That's something that like people will look for, I guess. I don't think, yeah, marketing. What do you guys think? Should I post to affiliate marketing and marketing, or should I just pick marketing? Like just pick affiliate marketing. Sorry. So we have that. Look on topics. Okay, then we need thumbnail. We need to create images. Yeah, sure. Why not make a couple of images? Like, what is... $40. It's great. Artboards to 40. This is gonna be thumbnail. Let's move this to the side then. Thumbnail, it's a little bit smaller. Pricing tag, sure. The gallery, okay, so gallery is 1270 by 760. That's a gallery image. You're gonna upload multiple. The gallery will need 2 images. Okay, so we need images. Hey, thanks for the follow. Sid Ben, or is it Ben, or what is it? Tell me who you are and tell me what you're working on. I want to know everything. I'm lonely. Chat has been quiet today, but I guess everybody's co-working, which is absolutely fine. But know that I'm always open to questions or like things to talk about. It can even be off topic. I don't care. You know, I always handle this like an open office, like we're co-working, so we can talk about whatever, whenever. I will let you know if I'm working, but I will always get to a question. Subcategory. So we need like a thumbnail, at least 2. So let's say that 1 image primary tailored towards the creators and tailored programs. Okay. We don't do a promo because I don't. Nah. I'm not adding a promo code. I don't think it's necessary. Yeah, so we need to set up a Twitter account. So that's something we have to do. You know what? Let's just get started with these. Doesn't have to be perfect. Works, it works, right? I don't know if I find this crisp enough. Two pop-ins. Two like extra bold. Maybe semi-bold. Make it a little bit smaller. Turn it white. And like increase the font size to 28. We can make it bold, and now we can out. It's hijacked by another application. The short key, outline stroke. We can make it bigger. Come on. Better. Body come together because that looks fucking better. I guess we can take this background here. Yep. Let's make it a bit smaller. It's also. Yep. Let's copy this inside of here as well. Tailored towards content creation. So let's open this one. You know what? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Shit. Oh. Let's create a stroke at the bottom. you know what? I'm not even going. It's fine. It's just an image. To the left. Did you design it all on your own? Yep, I did. And it's actually all documented. So, if you want to have a look at anything, you can just go back to past streams or go to the YouTube archive or even read the updates. I did everything. From conceptualizing to the designs, to the socials, to all the blog posts. Took a couple of days, but then you got something. Let's add a little emoji because we're dope like that. I like it, looks very clean. Thanks. Yeah, here's it in action. It's always great to hear that people appreciate your design, because at the start of this project I was like, I'm not really that great at design, I'm more of a front-end developer. But hey, you know, design is all about iterating, so, you know, we went, actually to show you something funny, like this was the exploration. We went from this, like this was first version. I was hell bent on I should do black and white to make myself easier. And then I was like, okay, this doesn't work. Then we went to this because we had like the filters. Then we went to this one, which is, what's the difference between this and this exactly? Is there a difference? Oh yeah, probably not. I don't know. Sorry. And then we went to this one, and then I was like, okay, the header looks a bit boring, but I think we are getting like to what it needs to be. And then we went to like to draft, so we have all this. So we explored like the width of the load more button a bit more. As you can see, we imported the grid. We also added like a background texture, because I think that looks just a bit better than just plain orange. And finally, we came up with this, which we have implemented. So as you can see from here, we took it a little bit further. Like we updated the footer just a bit, just to make it a little bit more fun. We actually added like the tags afterwards, so it's easier for people to see like, oh hey, this is web development, that interests me, let's go to web development. And then they're in the web development category. And we also ditched a couple of things, like we ditched the blog for now, because I first have to make a content calendar, so it all, you know, that I can start with at least a couple of blogs inside of there. I mean, maybe I will post all the build logs on there as well, just to have some content, but we'll have to wait and see. Finally today we also implemented the post program page, so you can start gathering more signups for your affiliate program today. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. Better if it like aligns with the M. I think it's like which is gonna be 76, I guess. This has to be on. Can we give this a stroke, which is like red? Excuse me? Why not exactly? I don't know what. I don't care. This is fine. We don't have to do anything crazy. Let's also check this against Grammarly if this is like alright or not. You have to make this longer. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so now we have like the thumbnail, the image for the gallery. Did you work? Project, yes, press. Okay, now can we start just filling like the submission out and like... can do that. New product. Fuck. Yeah, affiliate programs to monetize your content or next product. Yep. Okay, we have to set up a Twitter. We can do that later. We can do that later. So let's say select up to 3 topics. So affiliate marketing, database, monetization. How many characters is this exactly? I don't think Notion tells me that, so let's do it in here. Oh. This is already on edge then, yeah. Exports, JPEG. Upvoted. That doesn't look great. So let's, instead of the linear gradient, go for solid. And then like export it 2 times as a PNG. Or not 2 times, because that looks terrible as well. Maybe that has to do with the compression of... Yes, replace it, thank you. Maybe we can do a little bit more magic. Like give this a effect. Drop shadow 2. That looks better. That looks better. Like bring this down just a notch. A little more subtle. And maybe also... Oh. Yeah, I think I like that it would... I think it's good if it has some texture in the background. Not that it's like plain. Okay, so we have frame 5. But that... don't... Shit, this needs to be part of the frame. 5 needs to be layered on top. Yeah, better. How does this look? Way better. Way better. Okay, and then we are going to export these two. Okay, let's... Gallery 1. Do, do, do. fine. Shite. Okay, so now I can do like my products. Okay, it's in draft. Okay, so we have to write the first comment. And for that we need to gather some inspiration. It's fine. Oh well. Okay, so let's recap today because it's already 4:05 and I need to. It's Wednesday and that's usually the day where I like eat with my parents because that's important as well. Stay in touch with your parents, as long as you like them, of course. And I like my parents, so that's great. So I think it's a pretty big day because we just went into beta and we'll be probably into beta for like the remainder of the week. Or if I think everything is good, because I will test the living shit out of it for the coming 48 hours. So we might launch on Friday, or we might launch... Yeah, actually we might launch on Friday. So a short extra stream on Friday where we launch to like everywhere. So that's documented as well for the building in public journey. So most important stuff of the day. We removed all the categories that were empty. We made sure that these are clickable and that they are also active once you click them. So if you go to web development, they will actually be active. And if you go to business, the business ones will be active. It's also possible now to post a program, start getting more signups for your affiliate program today. And actually Stripe works with this, so I can make money. I will probably need to like reduce this amount maybe, but we'll, you know what, we'll wait and see. Maybe it gains traction, maybe it doesn't. So descending works, one-time payment works, clearing the filter works. So yeah, and this goes to my company contact. And I was also thinking, like yesterday, from okay, what are the possible outcomes with like use affiliates? So let's go chat in the mission because I covered everything we did. Okay, and we did all the product and launch preparations and caching and some other stuff which I will cover in the daily update. But actually, I was thinking about, okay, what are the possible outcomes of after launching use affiliates? Outcome 1, it flops, it doesn't do anything, which is the most likely outcome. We still had a good journey. I will just keep it running, focus a little bit on content marketing. Use it as my playground to drive a lot of traffic to a website. Outcome 2 is people like it, people start using it. We get a lot of traffic from Product Hunt. We might even get a couple of program submissions. If that happens, I'm going to do like a celebration dance on stream. You can keep me accountable for that one. And option 3 is something I'm thinking about, which is if it gains some traction and if it gains a little bit of money, like let's say 5 signups, like the idea is validated after 5 signups, I guess. Or no, I know for sure if 5 people pay like $419 to post their affiliate program, the idea is validated. I might actually throw this up on MicroAcquire. And if people don't know what MicroAcquire is, it's basically a platform where other people can buy your startup or your SaaS or whatever, or your cookie shop. I don't know. I think you can basically sell anything there. And I find that idea interesting for not only like it gives me a pretty fast exit. I can work on another project. If it's smart, if it's actually smart to sell it, I don't know. I mean, it can also be a money machine once it starts generating some income, and maybe after a year I can ask all the programs again for, yo, do you still want to be signed up? We can give you a little discount if you extend your period with us. However, it would also be fun to like fulfill the whole built-in public cycle until exit and have everything documented. Like basically, it goes from like a built-in public series to like from 0 to exit in X amount of months or X amount of weeks. That would be actually pretty awesome. So, kind of on the fence about that. I don't know if I actually want to sell used affiliates just yet. I mean, it all depends. Even though it might not make any money, I might still invest in like some content marketing and still try to put it up on MicroAcquire and see if we can sell it. But that's all up for debate. Thanks for the follow. Ooh, I don't know how to pronounce it. Can you please put that in the chat? Piranha. No, okay, I'm not even gonna attempt butchering your name. I'm sorry. Place in the chat if you wanna have a proper shout out, and I will do my best to pronounce it. But yeah, so we might do a MicroAcquire thing just to walk through the whole process. Might actually be fun, but we can also save that for another project. Like maybe we can do a challenge, because I will also have to start thinking about what we are going to do after this project now that it comes to an end. I mean, I'm not gonna bore you 3 times a week with like me writing content for this, and I will probably at a certain point outsource it as well. I'm actually talking already to a couple of like companies and people about writing content for like use affiliates and also for my other like content related things, because I like building. I like doing marketing, but I like more like being on the side of marketing where I think of subjects instead of actually writing the stuff. Of course, that's a little different from me writing for like use affiliates or people actually paying me money to write content, which is also possible. Shout out to myself if you need any blog written. So yeah, I was thinking about maybe after use affiliates we can do a couple of smaller projects, like build and release in a day kind of stuff. Like I still want to build a personal share link, which we can sell via Gumroad. Like basically, like I don't know if you guys know about Linktree, which is basically a page which you can put in your bio of your social media account, and then you click on that, and then it's like, hey, here are my links. Basically, I have that idea, but then like set it up on your own server. Like all these Linktree alternatives are all paid for, and you have to take a subscription, link up your own domain. I'm like, okay, whatever, do that, but tailor it more towards the creators who actually do know how to run a server. And then I can sparkle on top some of my expertise on making the whole thing modular, so that we just provide some HTML, CSS files, so that people can actually build their own page from scratch using some components. Kind of like Tailwind UI, but then Linktree goes Linktree. Tailwind UI goes Linktree. Another project which I'm working on privately is also might be something that we want to work on the stream. But more on that if it actually turns out to be a feasible idea, because the architecture is really darn difficult at the moment. And furthermore, I think we still have a couple of ideas on the shelf. We have Liveboard, we have Value Base, we have Vibe, which is an ambient sound generator. So, plenty of options. I mean, there are plenty of options. So, congrats, my old boss replied to my beta launch. So, I think I'm going to keep it here for today. Thank you all for the amazing follows. I'm glad we went to beta. I'm gonna grab a bite to eat together with my parents, go to the gym, work out, shred off some kilos. And I will see you all tomorrow around the same time. we'll probably do the release preparations, or maybe tomorrow we'll work on something else. Like maybe I'm like tomorrow, okay, we're gonna work on X, Y, or Z, just to prepare like next couple of streams. So thank you all for watching. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you're from. Mwah! Little smoochie for you all, and I will see ya tomorrow.